Golly, I never recorded all this. Okay, well, I can make a short recording now. Okay, I just screwed all this thing on. I talked all this through here. Alright, well here, let's just... Okay, well that was crazy. Alright, well, alright. Well, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I've had too much fun. I gotta go. This video will be on here for 30 days, and then it goes slow connection. Alright, well. Come on, I want to finish. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Won't do it now. Come on. Oh, no. Alright, well, okay, well, we just shot a happy little video. Okay, but I never started this camera. That sucks. Okay, anyway, I bought this bracket here from AliExpress for about 27 bucks, and I just thought I was recording this, and I wasn't. So, anyway, long story short, you take the pan off, which is 4 bolts, and you take 2 bolts off for these bars here, and you just push them down out of the way. And there's 4 bolts for removing the foot peg thing, but I only need to take out 2. There's the 2. The other 2 are left in there. And then I had to take out 2 bolts, which are these bolts here. I had to take these 2 bolts out. I can't see the camera. Okay. Take these 2 bolts out, and then this is all that came in the kit. I don't need these. I don't need what? I don't need that. It comes with 2 spacers and 2 longer pieces, but they're just long rods like this. Wait, too long. This is not needed for mine. Anyway, so did all that. Then put the then put the spacers on. Can you see the spacers? Right here. All right, these are the spacers. I put the spacers on, hand tightened these things down, and that was it. And then I put grease behind this thing, put grease behind here, or anyway. I greased it up, threw it in, and make it a short video. Now I just gotta simply bolt everything back together to my model that I got from a millwright. I traded my KLR 650 for this bike that I have now. So the guy, he installed these professionally. I mean, you can't get any better looking than that, I don't think. Came with all kinds of interesting things. I've never seen an original bike, so this came with, these here, top and bottom, okay? Came with the YSS shocks. Came with the cross mount for the, what do you call it, anyway, just came with all this stuff. Came with a Revolution front thing and the center carrier rack, and anyway, I got 1,800 miles on this bike. Today is 10 April 2025, and I'm done. I'm just gonna goof this up, but that's all right. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean this up and put it all back together. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. All right. Well, yeah, my video's not perfect, but at least I got the job done and hopefully showed everything. Okay. Well, not everything, but everything. Okay. Bye.